Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not add card in your iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are having an issue that you cannot add cards, let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have done, you just have to go back, open settings, and open your general, then open VPN and device management. And from here, you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN from here. And once you have disconnected your VPN, you just have to try again. Or if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you just have to go back, and from here you have to select software update, or if you have any pending software update, try to update your software. Then again go back, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode, and then you have to select reset network setting from the confirmation pop-up message. And once you have reset all of your network setting, it will fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to go for screen time, and then go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. And once you have disabled all the restrictions, you have to retry. Or if you are still having the same issue, you have to open your browser, and here you have to simply search for sport.apple.com, and you can try to search Apple Sport, then select your device, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of get sport, then select start now here. And here you just have to scroll down and wait for the option of subscription and purchases, select that, and here select update payment method, then select continue, and here you just have to select get more help, then select call us, and here you'll get the official contact number for your Apple Sport team. Now whenever you want to call, you just have to dial this number, and you can get official help from Apple Sport team. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video, bye bye.